All right, it is Tuesday before Meetup on the Mohican. We went down to Mohican Wilderness last weekend and left the camper there. I already got the scooter down there, taking 3 bikes, got some wood, got the easy up. But look at this. See, we always have the camper, so I never have anything in the truck. Look at all this groceries, clothes, liquor, chairs, screens, tools. I mean, I am just loaded up. So anyways, I'm heading out. See you guys at the meetup. There's the old White Hawk. Just got back in the camp and I'm gonna get this party started on a Tuesday. All by myself. Maybe I'll invite over Caribou Dave. I heard he lives in these parts. Mow my yard, Dave. Mow my yard. Hey everybody, it's Wednesday before the meetup on the Mohican. I'm down here at Mohican Wilderness. I came down last weekend and dropped off the White Hawk and then came back down Tuesday night, last night. And I'm moving from my normal spot up by Caribou Dave down to our spot over here for the meetup, which is site 253. Worked out perfect because I had to dump from last weekend. So I'm just dumping on my way to my campsite. Okay, lots of changes going on down here at Mohican Wilderness. This is the first thing I noticed here. The dump station here at the south end of the campground. They have widened it, taken out a tree, put down some gravel. And it's very nice, very clean, easy to get in and out of. Then over here, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom in. Used to just be green fields over there. And now all you can see is dirt. Well, that, my friends, is going to be full hookups. So not sure how many sites will be up there on the other side of that where the railroad used to come through. But yes, full hookups down here at Mohican Wilderness. So I hope it dries out before everybody starts showing up. There is myself and one other YouTube channel here already. And we do have lots of puddles everywhere. We went ahead and bought one of these sunshades. And the camper's facing the east. So this morning when I got up to eat, I came and sat out here to see how it does. And man, they make a huge difference. They really cool the front of your camper off. I'm really liking it. That's a 17 by 9. And it unzips in the middle, so you can roll the top portion up with your awning and the bottom portion. You can just leave down at night if you need to put your awning in or whatever. But pick that up off Amazon. And this is a 12 by 12 easy up here that we have had for many, many years camping. And at Evergreen one year, the wind decided to pick it up and throw it into another campsite. But I fixed it. I'm glad I have it. It is hot. And Saturday it's supposed to be up around 88, 89 degrees. Hey, I just got a new magnet from one of the coolest people ever, Bill Porter, aka Uno. So, gonna have to put that right there. I'm recording. You have to steer. Oh, you got me right into a tree. These two back here keep trying to tip us. Mike and Debbie, completely gone. They gone. Are you enjoying your stay here at Mohican Wilderness? Tell us about it. Jackie.
Hey, sweetie. I didn't see that.
Really got to have these brakes looked at. Hey, everybody.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.